Bitter Kola, also known as Bitter Kola or Garcinia Kola, is a plant found in Central and Western Africa that has long been valued for its medicinal properties. Although traditional African medicine uses all parts of the bitter kola plant, the seeds are mostly commonly eaten. Bitter kola seeds have a sharp, bitter flavor that eases into a slight sweetness as you chew, and they're typically eaten raw. So what are the health benefits of bitter kola? Although bitter kola has been eaten in Africa for years, scientists are just beginning to study the health benefits of this flowering plant. According to these early studies, bitter kola may be able to help with health problems including infections. Bitter kola has been used over the years to fight infections from the common cold to hepatitis. A 2018 study showed that bitter kola can help combat coughs, bacterial infections, and viral infections. Eating bitter kola when an infection starts may help fight the infection and make you feel better more quickly. Number 2. Inflammation. Bitter kola seeds have commonly been chewed on in Africa to fight against inflammatory conditions like arthritis. One 2008 study showed that patients with osteoarthritis in their knees showed significantly reduced inflammation when eating bitter kola compared to a placebo. The high levels of potassium in bitter kola may be a contributing factor in reducing inflammation. Number 3. Diabetes. Early studies suggest that a chemical called colaborin, which is found in bitter kola, may protect against hypoglycemia in people with type 2 diabetes. Although this first study was done on rats and has not yet been reproduced on humans, these early findings are promising.